So now I've pulled apart this flower a little bit, and you can see here on my finger are examples of two of the individual florets. And so this dandelion is made out of just hundreds of individual florets. And each one of these florets has, if I can get them to not blow away, each one of these florets has an individual petal, but that petal is really a fusion. I'm holding two florets here in my hand, and each one has one petal, and it has both male and female parts, but they're tiny. And then each one of these, once the seed forms, then these little kind of hair-like things will end up forming into the familiar kind of parachute that we are familiar with, and then the whole head will turn into a puffball. So this whole head would turn into a puffball, but it won't now because I've removed it from the rest of the plant. Okay.